Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss type declaration instructions. So let's get started. Type declaration instructions are used to declare the type of variables used in a C program. Any variable used in the C program must be declared before using it any statement. The type declaration statement is written at the beginning of main function. Now moving further guys, we can declare any variable with the help of this syntax. So first of all we need to mention data type and then we will use variable name, and after that we will put semicolon. And these are the few examples of integer, float and character variable declarations. Now moving forward guys, we can also initialize the variable while declaring the type of variables. Guys, we are using two statements here. The first one is variable declaration and second one is variable definition, because we have assigned 10 to a, so the value of a will be 10. But we can use only one statement instead of these two statements by using a statement like this. So, and it will work. So moving further guys, in the first statement we have assigned 2 to I, so the value of I will be 2, and it is the variable declaration and definition both. And in the next statement we have assigned 5 to A and 10 to B in a single statement. And we can also use a statement like this: float A equal to 2.5 comma b equal to 3.2 plus 1.5 into 2.5. So I hope it is clear to you. Now moving forward guys, in this statement we have declared 4 integer variables a, b, c and d, and we have assigned 10 to a, b and c. So the value of a, b and c will be 10, and this statement will work perfectly. But in case of this statement would not work, because we are trying to use B, C and D before declaration, so it won't work. Now moving further guys, the order in which we define the variables is sometimes important, sometimes not. So for example, in the first statement we have assigned 10 to I and 25 to j, and it will be same as int j equal to 25 and j equal to 10. And in the second statement, first of all we have assigned 1.5 to a, and then we are using this a to be equal to a plus 3.1, and it will work. But in this statement would not work, because we are trying to use variable a even before defining it. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.